My daughter's drawn this bat vampire target. That'll go nicely with the zombie head. So I'll attempt to cut that out with the jigsaw. I managed to cut it out without breaking it anyway. I did widen the wings a little bit, just to give it a little bit more material, so it's less likely to break off. So I just need to tidy up the edges, bit of black paint, and, cut out the target circle. I decided to cut out his eyes, nose and teeth just to make its features stand out a bit more. Just need some black paint now. Right, I'm happy with how that looks so far. Stand out better with a different background. I've just put some foam pads in the centre then, so I can locate the clippage and then they're nicely on. Do the same thing on the back as well. So these are just screwed in just on the edge of the circle. So I've got the bulk of the clay in the middle to smash out the circle then. I think it stands out a bit better than orange clay.